everyone, welcome to Shinetics.
Okay, so first of all, happy Rath Yatra. Okay, so as the title of the video suggests, today we are gonna do the 12 secrets challenge.
In this challenge, we will ask each other 6 questions, 6 secret questions
That are a little controversial to answer, especially in front of the camera.
And guess what? What's the twist? And if we are not able to answer the questions on camera, we have to eat chili again. Last time I didn't have chili, only Sneha had chili. But this time, I don't know whether I'll have or not. So we have to eat chili each time.
So yeah, wish us luck.
So without wasting time, let's roll into the video.
Hey, it's my turn now. So Twinkle has sent me the questions on my phone, and obviously we have chilies. Where is the chili? Over here. We have salt, because last time we ate chilies, I ate chilies. Mamu suggested that salt will work much faster and better than milk, so I have that. And I have a feeling that I'll be the one who will end up eating more chilies than Twinkle, because she's a heartless person, okay? Yeah, facts. Okay, so let's get started. Who is your first school crush? No teachers. We are starting off strong, and I'm gonna eat the chili. I still feel the heat, but we have to move on, okay? You love me or Ankita more? Ankita is my another cousin, and me is Twinkle over here. So I don't want to eat chilies so fast. Again, you get me, right? Okay. Ankita is 2 years younger than me. Twinkle is literally like my twin. She's 2 months younger than me. I have to say, okay, I love Twinkle. Yes, you over there watching me suffer a little tiny bit more than Ankita, okay? Yeah. One person you want to remove from your life right now. From the earth, okay? I don't feel like it's one person I know. Usually I don't hate people. So yeah. Oh, that's kind of easy to answer, by the way. It's North Korean president. Everyone hates him. Everyone wants to have him removed from the earth, and everyone will be happy. My mouth is burning, so I'm sorry I'm talking like this, but you get me, right? So yeah. Next question, it's question number 4. Okay, we have 3 more left, including this one. Choose between Twinkle and Anindita. Anindita is my bestest friend. We have known each other since like 12 years now. We are friends since 12 years, which is a really long time. But at the same time, me and Twinkle know each other since 16 years. So it's gonna be Twinkle. Anindita is right next to her. I love you, Anindita, but it has to be Twinkle. She's my sister. If I would have not answered that, then she would have killed me. Okay, ugliest friend of yours. Is she kidding me? Okay. To be honest, I guess I am the ugliest one. Okay, listen to me. All my friends are like super cute, super pretty, or super handsome. So I guess I'm the ugliest one, but I don't think so that's the option. It's chilly time again. My mouth is still burning, but still. Okay. Oh, I look so scary. Uh, okay, last one, and we'll be done. One person you hate the most but still have to tolerate around you. Oh, it's easy. It's Twinkle. Yeah. Okay, I'm kidding, obviously. I don't think I hate anyone because I'm a sweet little girl. I have to take it. I have someone in mind, but obviously I can't say his or her name. Okay, last one. Last time I'm doing this. I think I'm eating too much. I'm gonna cry. So, I'm finally officially done with the questions. You know what? East or West, ice is the best.
So I am back with 2 chilies and my glass of milk so that I do not die of spiciness, whatever. I'm not really a spicy eater. I have a sweet tooth and I love sweets, so I never prefer spicy food, so I don't know what's gonna happen to me. So without wasting time, let's start. So the questions are on my phone. So the first question Miss Janvi has sent is, name 5 of your friends from most to least attractive. Are you serious? Are you serious? You sent me this question, Sneha? I cannot comment on anybody's looks, obviously. So I have to eat chili. I cannot. It's very, mean, rude. I'll sound so rude. No, I cannot. Please, God, save me. This is the first time I'm eating chili. Please. OMG. It was like the burst of never tried this. OMG. Milk really works, yaar. I totally had half of it. Half. Name the most annoying friend you have. I don't have anyone annoying. Whoever annoys me, I just unfriend them. Okay, so this question has no answer, so I won't eat chili. Okay, I don't have any annoying friends. I have 3 to 4 friends only, and among them no one is annoying, so I won't eat chili again. Name that friend of yours you love the Oh my god. Name the friend of yours you love the most except Shreya. Oh, it's an easy one. Except Shreya, I love Aliva Rani a lot. I love you. Who's your favorite cousin? I think it's not Sneha. Obviously, she's my favorite cousin. Even she's asking just so that I'll take her name and I'll just, appreciate her that she does this, she does that. I won't appreciate you, but I don't have any other cousins to be my favorite. They all are tingu mingus. So you are only one who is of my age I can talk to. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, this is, my mouth is burning. Oh, what's your biggest insecurity? It's also an easy one. I can answer this actually. Please, guys. I just chewed the chili this side in this side of my mouth, and totally this part of my tongue is. It's like fire. It's like someone has put kerosene and added fire to it, and it's burning. What's your biggest insecurity? My insecurity that I don't know. I don't like people judging me on my face or something like that. You know, somebody says me something. You know, it's good actually if people say you that what's bad in you, and you can just improve that quality of yours. But I'm not really a person who can tolerate that, or I think so that's what I'm insecure about, that nobody should tell me anything on my face. I just try to be good everywhere. OMG. If you had to save one and kill the other, who would you choose, Arvind or Amlan? Okay, first let me introduce both of them. Arvind is my best friend, is my best friend from last 2-3 years, and Amlan is my childhood friend who I have been studying with since class LKG. And the best part is that our sections got changed 4 times in 4th class, but still Amlan stayed in my section. In 8th class, still Amlan stayed in my section. In 10th class, and still he's in my section. So totally 13 years of friendship, you guys can say that. So I cannot choose between them, obviously. I cannot kill anybody or save anybody. Otherwise, both of them are gonna kill me. I don't think so. Maybe, I don't know. Who would I choose? Save one and kill the other. I won't kill the other. But I guess I would save Arvind because he's quite close to me. I don't know. Maybe he's a little, a good friend of mine, and he has all my secrets with him. So I don't know if I would save him or kill him. Okay, I'll eat chili. I won't answer this question. OMG. Again. No, I won't answer. I would save Arvind, okay? That's all I would say. I would save Arvind, okay?
That's all we have for you today.
So hopefully guys you enjoyed the video. We are struggling a lot shooting this time because we are separated from each other, as you guys know, and we have to separate these challenges, staying away from each other. So yeah, so if you like the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon just next to it. Just click that because we need you, we need your support.
Our last video the chili. Okay, so our last video will be there in the description box. Our social media links will be there in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out.
And comment down some video ideas that you guys want us to try, because and as we are living separately from each other, so give us some good ideas so that we can come up with great videos and entertain you guys.
We love you a lot. See you super soon, and until then, bye.